Honk, honk.
Sean, that's still too loud.
Jolie, I didn't make that noise. There's something in the hall, and it's big.
Let's go see. Was it just kind of big?
No, it was great big. You'll see.
Well, here goes.
What was that?
We don't know.
Let's check it out.
What you looking at? Oh, my, what a welcome!
Hi, Barney. Are we glad to see you?
Oh, and I'm always glad to see my friends, but who was your new feathered friend?
I guess it was a goose.
The biggest goose in the whole world.
A goose you could ride on.
A goose you could ride on? Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!